Hello everyone. Today I'll explain you about x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 using data frame object in the Pandas library. So x is equal to 0 usually represents rows and x is equal to 1 represents column. So let's take an example here. Let's have 4 rows and 3 columns. Put any values here: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So if you want to do operations in data frame object row wise, right? So you can provide the x is equal to 0. So in case if you want to have operations like this column wise, so you can provide x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is nothing but a column wise. And these are the rows and this x is equal to 0. So suppose let's have one example here. In case suppose we have null value here n a n and n a n n a n, and you want to delete the rows with the NaN values. So what you will do, in the data frame we have a function called drop NA, and you can provide x is equal to 0. So it will drop all the rows with the NaN. So what will remain? 10, 11, 12. So suppose you want to do the operation column wise. So what you can do here, you can provide x is equal to 1. So in this case, what will remain? What will the output? 1, 4, 7, 10. So what is happening here? It is actually doing operations column wise and finding out all the values, all the columns which are having the NaN values, and deleting that particular column. Similarly, in the access-wise, it is actually doing an operations row-wise and finding out NaN values and deleting that particular row. So these are labels, basically 0, 1, 2, 3, which is representing rows. And here A, B, C are the label representing column. So in case suppose you want to directly delete particular row, so you can delete the particular row using this particular index. Suppose you want to delete the second row, so what you can do is df.drop and provide 2, that's an index, and x is equal to 0. So what will be the output? In this particular case, this particular row will be deleted. So similarly, if you want to delete the particular column, right? This particular column, if you want to delete, so what you can do is df.drop c x is equal to 1. I hope this is clear to you. So let's do some exercise in the Jupyter notebook so that it is more clear to you. So here you can see I have imported two libraries, PD and NP. Pandas and NumPy. Using it as a PD and NP, and I've taken dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair where keys are ABC and the values are 1, 2, 3, 7, and I have assigned some null values to B and C column. So these null values are taken from the NumPy library. So NaN representing not a number, and what I'm doing is, now I need a data frame, right? So I have a dictionary. Now I need to convert this dictionary to the data frame. So Pandas has one API called data frame, which will actually take an input as a dictionary. You can provide any other input as well. List all. It's a collection of list only. So you provide dictionary as an input and it will convert it to the data frame. Now you can print the data frame and see the values. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 representing rows and A, B, C are the columns. So the next operations what I'm doing is I'm deleting second, the second row. So you can see here I'm providing an index and with a value with the axis equal to 0. See, I have to delete that particular row. So you can see here this particular row has been deleted, but this particular row is not being deleted from the original data frame object. Okay, this particular row is deleted and so it's basically getting copied to some temporary data frame object and printing it. And next operations what I'm doing is I'm deleting a particular column, that is C, with the value axis equal to 1. So you can see here the output is axis equal to, this C column has been deleted now. And then you can see here, see all these operations are not being done in a original data frame object. So you can see here when I print a df, it is printing all the values, though we have deleted second row and the C column. Okay, so now in case suppose I want to delete a particular row with the NaN values, so what I can do is I can drop NA function, right? As I explained earlier, you can provide a value called you can provide the axis equal to 0 and print the values. So you can see here all the rows with NaN has been deleted. What remains? So 756 are the values remained. And similarly, if you want to delete the column with the NaN, right? So you can provide the drop NA function with the axis equal to 1. So you can see all the columns with NaN has been deleted now. What remains is the column A with the values 1, 2, 3, 7. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you guys for watching this video.